In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webull to trading. Connecting your Webull brokerage to Tradingview lets you place trades directly from your charts, manage orders, and monitor positions without switching platforms. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll add helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Tradingview in your web browser or launching the desktop app. Then sign in to your Tradingview account. The desktop and web experiences are nearly identical, so choose whichever you prefer. Make sure you are on the charting page, since that's where the connection lives, and keep your app updated with a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. With a chart open, locate the trading panel on your screen. In many layouts, it appears at the top of the chart if you don't see it. Look for the Trading Panel tab and expand it so the broker list becomes visible. This is the area where Tradingview integrates with supported brokers, and it's the control center for routing orders through your brokerage. Scroll through the list to find Webull. Then click Connect. The brokers are usually presented in a grid or list, and T here is often a search field if you want to type in Webull to find it faster. Clicking Connect opens a secure Webull login window maintained by the broker, which ensures your credentials are handled safely. In that secure window, sign in with your Webull credentials and complete any required two-factor verification. Keep your login information private, and only enter it in the official broker prompt. If the login window doesn't appear, a pop-up blocker might be in the way, so allow the pop-up just for this action. Once you authenticate successfully, Tradingview and Webull will establish the connection in the background. To verify the connection, look for a green dot next to the Webull name in the trading panel. Depending on your layout, this indicator may appear toward the bottom area of the interface. The green dot confirms you are live and ready to trade from the chart. You should also see account details and an order ticket, allowing you to place, modify, or cancel orders directly in Tradingview. Your funds remain in your Webull account. Tradingview simply routes the orders through your broker. If you don't see the green dot, refresh the chart, confirm you are signed in to the correct Tradingview profile, and make sure your two-factor verification completed successfully. Brief connection delays can occur, so giving it a moment often resolves it. That's all there is to it. Your Webull account is now connected to Tradingview, and you are ready to trade right from your charts.